Hey guys, welcome back to Kristen's Kitchen once again. So today I'm going to show you how to make garlic pickle. So first we will start with half cup of ginger oil. Now let's add 1 spoon of mustard. Now let's add half an inch ginger. Add chili. Then add curry leaves. Now add 200 grams of garlic. The garlic should be peeled and chopped, and now mix everything. Now add 1 spoon of salt. Add 4 teaspoons of chili powder. If you want, you can even adjust it like 4 or 5 spoons also. Yeah. And then mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then again mix. Now add solid hing. It's a small piece. Add it. Then mix it. Add roasted fenugreek. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then mix it. Now let's add jaggery. If you don't even have a jaggery also, if you want, you can add sugar also. And last, add 6 tablespoons of vinegar. Our pickle is ready.